lives on the
Okay.
Arctic layer. Now, this animal has a long nose. Its long nose helps it find food. It likes to eat mice and insects.
Strawberries.
Oh, you skipped the page I wanted to see it.
Sunday.
I want to see that thing. What is that?
Good, huh?
I don't know. It's kind of like a big possum or something. Oh. This animal has this. It's like a long worm. It could be a porcupine. Long nose. It likes to eat ants. Let me see. Let me see. You don't have to keep telling me that.
Good job.
No,
Lila.
what is that? You keep saying that.
Those are good.
Is that a mole right there? No.
What?
I just said, is that a mole? No, it isn't. Look at this nose. Don't look at. Look at this nose. This animal lives under the ground. Its nose helps it find food. It looks like a mole, but it isn't. This is a nose.